Hello everyone, Bertina Amy here, and welcome to my channel. Come shop with me for the new shopping finds of January-February 2026. So, super strange, my Dollar Tree had been closed all week. I went at least 3 times, then gave up and went to a different location. No information beyond this note on the door. So here you can see that Dollar Tree's Valentine's Day decor is already starting to disappear. Most of it, of course, is the same old, same old. However, this little heavyweight bear I had not seen prior, and I thought would look super cute for a Valentine's gift that you could just tie some balloons to. Or maybe even to attach flowers to it. Or even this 52 things to get to know someone, or a year of date nights. Or a heart-shaped scalp massager. And more same old for Valentine's Day and Easter, and St. Patty's Day. They now have bouncy balls for $1.75. They have these new solar light metal lanterns that I think look really cool. Or these bird feeders in 3 different colors for $5. I really love these solar mushroom stakes. Or these solar stake lights in 3 different shades of flowers. Also in the Dollar Tree Plus section, they've got slime eggs for Easter, for the kids of course. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried this Bluetooth speaker, vacuum cleaner, solar step light, or even the electric balloon pump. I had not seen these until today at my local Dollar Tree. And I absolutely love these garden barrel baskets. And they've also got the wire baskets in both white and black, and this other patterned basket or planter, and at least 3 different sizes of clay pots. Did you know that I am currently selling personally designed t-shirts based off of my upcoming book, The Cancer Dragon? Here I'm unboxing some orders from coworkers who I'm very grateful to for supporting my mission. If you were to ask me honestly, the idea for this logo came from my DIY Cancer Dragon wreath. My husband bought me a shirt once that said, "I kicked cancer's ass," but because of where I work, HR would have had a hissy fit over that, so I decided to design my own. To me, there's something to be proud of in becoming a Cancer Dragon Slayer, and I really hope my journey inspires you. I never planned on designing shirts for this, but as I kept creating and finding ways to express my life story, it just happened. I thought to myself, who else might love a shirt like this? On the back, the sayings are made for slayers, warriors, supporters, and even for honoring lost warriors. These shirts were created with all of you in mind, and I was so happy with the design that I wanted to make it available for anyone who feels connected to this journey. Okay, so here's the cover so far for my upcoming book. The basic gist of it is, I became diagnosed with stage 3 cancer, got pregnant during fertility treatments, refused to abort, despite my doctor's warnings that I'd die at birthing my child. For book updates or to support me, scan the code or click the link below. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe. And until next time, we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.